So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about BTC. So if you guys are new on this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, basically, you guys remember, if you guys know this, we had a big SFP exactly at the all-time high on the daily time frame. So I guess there is nothing left at the all-time highs. One thing is very clear, right? One thing is very clear. And right now, if you focus overall right here, when we were trading within this area, I told you about this specific double top pattern. And I guess if we simply and technically see this neckline, retest of the neckline, pump to the upside, failed to invalidate this double top pattern, dump to the downside, bearish retest, another dump to the downside, another bearish retest. So that's all bearish structure. Very simple. I will talk about this in simple words, and I will explain this trend as well. If we talk about this trend, right, if we talk about this trend, we can stretch it from a very downside, but I won't stretch it to the downside. But this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this is the higher high. And now you can see this, either this is the lower low, this is the higher low, this is the lower low, this is the higher low, this is the lower low, and this is the higher low, right? Now if you focus overall right here on the 4-hour time frame, specifically on the 4-hour time frame, the trend is getting bearish, and this was a high. If this high was broken and then retest, would be a definite bullish thing to look for, right? We will open the different doors for either we should be bullish or either we should be bearish, but we will talk in a way which can help you guys, right? Specifically, my talks are nothing unless if it's not a trade. I was very right about BTC. I told my members to open a short position at 112.7k, and these were the two entries, and this was my trade basically. And if you focus overall right here, yesterday we just tapped exactly 112.6k, almost 6k, like $594, almost 6k, $600 specifically. So by just $100 move, BTC front runners, right? And now the price is going to the downside. We are not filled yet, but we were right. We were at least not long in this area. Very simple. Now whatever, let's talk about on a different terms right here. Let's talk about this 5-wave move to the downside. How I'm expecting this 5-wave to the downside, because it's very valid. And yesterday this trade was very good trade. If it has, like, this was an entry, this was a almost invalidation. If we flip above the 2, then I guess it's invalidated. So my entry was exactly at the very important area, but it got front run by $100. We can't do anything about this sort of stuff. Whatever. This is the first wave, down, up, right, recovery, again down, and this is a simple bear trend as well on the 4-hour time frame. Another up, didn't break this too, and right, the price is now dumping to the downside, right? This is some sort of a bearish structure that has been forming. The main area of support would be exactly this specific 1-day FEG between 104.57k all the way up to 103.5k or something. This is a specific zone from where everyone, this specific box would be a very good area if it is given, right? If it is given. For now, if we talk about overall scenario, the spots are selling. You guys can exactly see this. The spots are selling heavily. Futures are not doing anything. If we talk about the liquidity is almost swept on the 4-hour time frame. Now this is some sort of a bullish thing. Now let's talk about on the lower time frames. If we talk about on the lower time frames, I will specifically generalize this thing right here fast. So this is the low. Let's extend this way to the downside, and from this specific area, this is our premium zone. Now here within this wick we will look for some sort of a long positions. This is the area